But dear, we need the money. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is MALIQA. I'm from SMP AZHAR 51 International Islamic Boarding School. Here, I want to tell you a story about the legend of the crying stone. Have you ever heard about this story before? Well, I want you to listen carefully. But before I begin, let me ask you, have you ever seen a stone that looked like it's crying? What do you think could make a rock weep like a real person? And here gets the question. How would you feel if someone you love was ashamed of you? Well, long ago, in a quiet village in Kalimantan, there lived a poor widow with her only daughter. And this is their story. The story of love, pride, and a lessons that echo through time. Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by green hills and thick forests, there lived a poor widow with her only daughter. The mother loved her daughter dearly and worked hard every day to provide her. The daughter, however, was heavenly beautiful but really ungrateful. She was ashamed of her mother's appearance, dark skin, bent from years of labor with rough hands and tattered clothes. As the girl grew older, so did her brother. One day, the mother invited her daughter to go to the market the next town with her. And together, they began the long walk along the dusty path. Along the way, they passed through many villages. People stared at them, some with curiosity, some with pity, some whispered and pointed. Embarrassed, the daughter began to walk ahead of her mother, pretending they were not together. And each time someone asked, "Is that your mother?" the girl replied coldly, "No, she's just a servant." The mother heard everything. With each lie, her mother had cried a little more, but she said nothing. The journey continued. The mother had cried, eyes full of tears, head low. And when someone asked about her mother, the daughter denied her mother again and again. The mother heart could bear no more. Suddenly, the sky darkened, the wind began to howl, the thunder ran right to the hills. The mother looked to the heavens, whispered, "Oh God, if this is the child I raised, if she no longer knows her own mother, then let justice fall." Suddenly, the earth trembled, the sky roared. The daughter screamed as her feet turned to stone. She reached for her mother. She begged, she cried, she wept, but it was too late. "Mother, what happened to me? My feet, they're turning to stone." Her body stiffened. Her arms, her legs, her beautiful face, all turned into cold gray rock. And so, as the stone still weeps, not just for one drunk mistake, but her to remind us all that never be ashamed of the one who loved you most. Because finally, one day, when you look back, they may already gone. And so, as the stone still weeps, the question still echoes. That stone now become as batu menangis, the crying stone. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.